What's up, YouTube? So clearly it's the next day. Ran into some weather issues yesterday with trying to finish up the back end flash on the car, but we got it here today. It's in the morning. There's no rain just yet. Might rain this afternoon, I don't know, but we have got it all plugged up. All plugged up, as you can see. I did bite the bullet and buy a battery tender charger. Got it all hooked up to the back here. So I will go ahead and begin the flashing process. A couple things you want to do starting out. Of course, you want to put it in accessory mode. Roll your window down all the way. Make sure the lights are off. Make sure the air con's off. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it into map 0. So you'll just put the Jb4 in 0, just down on both of them. Change it from 2 down. So one thing I hate about that is, I don't know if it does on anyone else's car, but on mine, whenever you push the buttons, they still operate as normal. But you just put it into map 0, take it out of command mode, and then you're good to go. Just gotta plug in all these cables over here and fish it through the door opening, and we will do a backup and then begin flashing. We are officially flashing. 36 minutes left. I'm excited. Supposedly these run a whole lot better when they're flashed, so I'm really excited to see what this is going to be like. Can't wait. Cat. Alright boys, we're in the home stretch here. I've got my phone, old phone, sitting on just the dash here. As you can see, it's at 94%. 2 minutes remaining to flash the DME. We are almost there. Now it just says please wait. Oh snap. 90, not back to 94%. So close. So close. Alright, so far so good. We're gonna touch the buttons and music will come on and annoy everybody. No, I'm sorry, not map 4. I need to go to really wish it wouldn't do that. And then we'll be in 2 for the back end flash. Alright, so we're in the back end flash. That is Speedo 4 TAC 2. And then we are still in our map 2 on the Jb4. Wow. Wow, already a very smooth start. I mean, almost instant. Very quiet. So I did turn on the startup idle reduction, and I did turn on one of the supposedly anyways, one of the exhaust burbles, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's awesome. Real quick, I want to shout out, I had these stickers made by a buddy of mine I went to school with. He started up his own kind of sticker t-shirt design business, so to speak. It's called Rexless Designs. I'll put a link down in the description to him. He made these stickers out of a vinyl that's a carbon fiber look. Of course, you know, I like carbon fiber just a little bit. Used to work with it, so I know what it's capable of, but very cool. This is the second go around on this sticker. The first set I just peeled off, put on, and then drove away, was doing a thing. And a couple days later, the big YouTube play button the big YouTube play button just disappeared. A couple of the letters didn't go on right. Turns out that this particular vinyl needs to be applied with heat. So I got a new set from him. It's kind of my error, as well as, kind of, him not knowing either, because he was given this vinyl and didn't have any sort of, hey, you need to do this with it. So, but it's all good. I did put this on, put a little blow dryer on it for not really that long, maybe a minute or two, on kind of a low setting, and I mean, they went on perfectly. So far they look great. Really happy with them. So if you can, go check them out. Facebook, Rexless Designs, and I'll link them down in the description, guys. Go hit them up. The car is idling smoothly, it's running. I'm happy about that. So we'll get it disconnected here. I need to give it a bath because it's dirty, but we'll get it disconnected here. I'm gonna go have lunch with my girls. All right, guys, so I just drove up to have lunch with the girls. I'm at Dairy Queen right now, waiting to order. I've got a few minutes to spare. And I gotta say, first driving impressions of the back end flash. I mean, damn. So driving along the freeway, I did notice there is a little bit more exhaust tone to the car. Don't really know why that is, but there is definitely more exhaust sound just cruising along, especially if you're going at highway speeds. You want to, float by somebody, not pass them fast, but just, get in front of them type of thing. You give it just a little bit of gas, and there's a ton of exhaust noise that I can hear now. All of a sudden, it's kind of interesting. But something else I did notice is that the torque doesn't seem to be there down low, higher up in the gear. So usually 6th gear on the freeway, 70, 80 miles an hour, I can put my foot in just a little bit, it'll stay in 6th, and you can feel the torque start to move the car. Well, I don't feel that now. It feels kind of almost just on its face, so to speak. It's kind of weird. I don't know if it's gonna, adapt its way out of that, but that's just one thing. But when you get on the power though, and it gets in gear and you're hitting max boost, holy crap, man, this thing moves. I mean, you can definitely hear the intake. You can definitely hear the turbos at that point. The louder exhaust tone goes with all of that as well. And oh my gosh, this thing hauls ass. I mean, it just moves. I mean, it's undescribable. I have no doubt that with the back end flash, that the 0 to 100 is going to be a lot quicker in this version than just running the Jb4. I have no doubt. I haven't done that yet. I'll have lunch with the girls and then we'll go back home and do that. But man, this is super freaking quick. Holy crap. I should have done this forever ago. I should have done this. I cannot wait to take this to the track, do some more mods to it, see what else we can do with it. It's going to be great. This is awesome. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, just got back from doing those runs here with the Jb4 back end flash. Looking here at the Jb4 mobile app, you can see my IATs are in the 140s. Definitely need to get an intercooler, but I believe fuel pump is going to be first, being how I have that sensor code on. And then after that will be an intercooler. Fuel pump first, intercooler second. The car feels much faster. Just doing that run there, it seemed to get to 100 quicker based on distance. So I'll have to see what the video says. But if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, comment if you have any questions. Again, go check out BMW Fanatic for his kind of tutorial on it. It's much more technical than my version. And also, don't forget to check that link for Rexless Designs if you need any decals, shirts, anything like that printed up for you. He'll get you taken care of. So thanks, guys. Have a good one.